Now in the past, the Greek scientist Archimedes invented the machine shown in the picture. See, Archimedes was a scientist and he invented the machine. That is why it is called the Archimedes screw. As he invented, the name of the machine is what? Archimedes screw. See what it is. It was used to lift water from the hold of the ship. This machine is used to lift water from the hold of a ship. Archimedes used a round pipe fitted with a rod inside it. The pipe was placed at an angle of 45 degrees with one end inside the water and the rod resting on a flat surface. When the rod was turned, water got lifted in this device. Okay, so it is a device which is invented by Archimedes. For what purpose? To lift water from the hold of a ship. To lift water from hold of a ship. So this is also on the basis of inclined plane. So their working is same like a inclined plane. Now the next simple machine we have to see, that is a wedge. What it is? Wedge. A wedge, an axe is used for cutting wood. Everyone know the axe. An axe is used for cutting wood. A sharp tool is formed on joining two inclined plane. A sharp tool is formed on joining a two inclined planes. Such a tool is called a wedge. Such a tool is called a wedge. A wedge is used for breaking an object into two pieces. For example, knife is there. Okay. So it is used for breaking an object into two pieces or to separate objects which stuck together. For example, an axe, a knife or a chisel are some example of this simple machine. A needle and a nail are also kinds of wedges only. A needle is also like a wedges only. Okay, so axe is also a simple machine. Wedge, so that is in scientific name is called the wedge. For what? A cutting wood. Now use your brain power. A needle is required for stitching cloth. Needle is required for stitching cloth. We use a knife for cutting fruit. We use a knife for cutting fruit. If the tip of needle or the edge of the knife becomes blunt, if it not sharp, then the needle does not penetrate the cloth and the knife does not cut into the fruits. So why is this so? Yes, as it blunt, the frictional force also rises and therefore we cannot do the work from this equipment. Okay, so as it blunt, their frictional force also rises, and so whatever may be their function is there for stitching or cutting, it not occur properly. Understood everyone? So this wedge is also a simple machine. Wedge is also a simple machine. Then inclined plane is also a simple machine. So this is all about the today's part. Today we have seen the two simple machine, that is inclined plane and wedge, which is used, which is have the simple structure, to do the work easily. This is all about the today's part. I think everyone have understood this simple machine. Okay, again some simple machines are there that we will see in a next period. Understood everyone? So everyone read out the lesson properly and write down the new words and complete your CW up to last lesson. Okay, thank you.